Come test drive the 2017 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, power driver's seat, air conditioning, alloy wheels, auto express down window, cruise control, hands-free link system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.